Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Earth. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is BRSR, Business Responsibility and Sustainability Reporting. We'll discuss evolution of BRSR, how it started. So in 2009, voluntary guidelines were issued by India's Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Thereafter in 2012, it was further refined in the BRR, that is Business Responsibility Report. Later on, it was further modified to Business Responsibility and Sustainability Report in 2021. So, who all has to comply with these guidelines? So, as per the SEBI's notification, BRSI requires top 1000 listed companies in India to file disclosures about their impact on the environment, society, and governance. Now, let's discuss the format of BRSR. There are three sections in BRSR. Section A talks about general disclosures. Section B is about management and process disclosures. Section C is the principle wise performance disclosures. Let's discuss each section in detail. Section A covers basic information about the entity, like number of offices and plants, details of products and services, the exchange where the company is listed, like BSE or NSE, and also the disclosures related to the standalone entity or whether it is the part of a consolidated portfolio of companies. And it also covers employee counts and representation by gender, diversity, etc. Data on the employee turnover, like number of employees and the total revenue turnover. So turnover by number of employees will give employee turnover. Also the number of complaints and grievances which are received. So this is about the general disclosures. Moving on, section B covers management and process disclosures. So it provides evidence that the companies are adhering to the structure, policies, processes, and it also shows that policies not only exist but they have been approved and enacted. So overall, section B talks about whether there are policies in place or not, and whether these policies have been approved by management or not. So this is about section B. And in gist, section B is at a macro level. And now we will discuss the section C, which is the micro level disclosures. So section C reports about the principle wise performance disclosures. So under this section, listed entities are required to demonstrate their performance in integrating the principles and core elements with the key process and decisions. So it reports on all the 9 principles of NGRBC, and there are 140 questions in BRSR, 98 on essential indicators and 42 on leadership indicators. So essential indicators are nothing but which are to be reported on a mandatory basis, and leadership indicators are to be reported on voluntary basis. And what are these 9 principles? So these are 9 principles. The first is about the ethics and transparency. Second is about product safety and sustainability. Third is about employee well-being. Fourth principle is about the stakeholder engagement. Next one is the human rights, and the sixth is the environment. So principle 6 is very important because it covers a lot of aspects like energy consumption, waste management, water usage, and also the GHG emissions. So it covers a lot of information related to environment. The next principle is the regulatory policies, etc. And eighth is the equitable development, which is about how company takes care of the society. And the last principle is about the providing value to their customers. So it is the how a company respond to their customer queries and issues. We discussed the 9 principles, and now we will discuss how these principles are correlated with the SDGs. So principle 1 talks about the ethics. So 16 SDG 16 and SDG 17 are correlated with the principle 1. So accordingly, I have listed down how each and every principle are correlated with the various SDGs, so which you can look at by pausing this video. So this is all about NGRBC guidelines and how the 9 principles are included in the BRSR, the reporting part of the BRSR, and how the principles are correlated with the SDGs. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.